random dancer in the back, and we're starting.
I hope you guys choke.
Love you too, random person.
Choke.
Shut up, pervert!
Choke.
Do you need to be kicked?
Choke on a choke. Choke.
Okay, so it looks like they're having problems, and I'm killing the person next to me.
No, you can't touch my man titties.
Okay, let's see.
Choke on your choke.
Random people, go away.
Choke on your choke. Choke.
Oh, can I have one?
Join me on.
Random people, go away.
Choke on a choke. Choke on my choke.
Okay, we got really stupid. Oh, there we go. There we go.
You guys better pick it up, or that white stuff that's gonna be there will have more white stuff.